We are calling on Justin Trudeau to engage in an open dialogue to address the concerns of the representatives of the Freedom Convoy.
Leaders with the trucker protest convoy in Winnipeg demanding a meeting with the Prime Minister before they end their demonstration that has been slowing traffic in Winnipeg's Broadway corridor for weeks.
If Justin Trudeau agrees to an open dialogue with us publicly, our promise is that we will leave downtown Winnipeg. Justin Trudeau can return normality to the residents and business of the downtown.
The call for the meeting came on Saturday as leaders in Winnipeg condemned what they say is excessive force being used against demonstrators by police in Ottawa, with demonstrators across the country calling for an end to COVID-19 mandates. Raymond Garand, a representative with the camp, said the group wants an open dialogue, not violence.
Disappointing to see what's transpiring in Ottawa. I'm sorry to see my brothers and sisters being mutilated. It's not right.
Organizers say until there is a meeting with the PM, they'll be staying put at the site where they've been since early February, saying they want to ensure their message is heard.
If we can start recognizing each other's opinions and start to come together to learn about what is separating us, then we will feel that what we've done here has been worthwhile, and we will pack up and we will leave these grounds.
On Friday, the truck convoy demonstrators told police and the public they would be moving aspects of the demonstration away from Broadway. But on Saturday afternoon, an even larger group of people had shown up to slow traffic, with organizers saying while they've asked people to keep off the road, it's difficult to control all in attendance.
We believe in the police force. We believe in the mayor. We believe in our provincial government. But the people aren't satisfied. They're out there protesting, and you know what? We're trying our best inside of here.
The Prime Minister's office would not comment on the specific request for a meeting on Saturday. Both city councillors and members of the public have said they want the demonstrators out of the area, with city councillors unanimously asking city admin to examine the possibility of a legal injunction to remove those present, and counter demonstrators organizing an event last weekend calling for them to go home. Some have called for police enforcement. However, police executives say sometimes dialogue is the best route.
Our approach is consistent, and it starts with building a relationship and a rapport with organizers.
That was Chief Danny Smythe on Friday, saying at this time negotiations towards a peaceful resolution are ongoing, with elected officials like City Councillor and Deputy Mayor Marcus Chambers saying he too hopes to avoid clashes like those witnessed recently in Ottawa.
That day is hopefully not a day that we're going to see here, that we can negotiate with the organizers of this demonstration to understand that the restrictions are being lifted as the data and the science does present opportunities to do so.
In Winnipeg, Morgan Majeski, City News.